Hello viewers, hopefully you all are doing great. I'm here with a new lesson again. তোমরা আজকে আমরা যেটা করব, this is very interesting. আমি pretty much sure তোমরা অনেকেই এটা এভাবে চিন্তা করো না. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to learn about some sentence patterns, and at the same time we are going to test some of our knowledge about our country. Okay, let's start. If you look at the board, test your knowledge, it says of life in Bangladesh, right? Acha. If you look at the first sentence, it says you don't have to / can't carry a driving license as you drive. Now, guys, see, have to, don't have to. Again, I'm লিখছি can, can't. Hi guys, তুমি একটু চিন্তা করো. You can do it. The moment I say you can do it, actually আমি এটা তোমার উপর ছেড়ে দিচ্ছি, তুমি করবা কি করবা না. Right? So you can do it means if you want, you do it. Now, if you don't want, you don't do it. Right? So this is like I don't put any binding on you. আমি তোমাকে এটার জন্য ফোর্স করছি না. I say you can do it. But আমি যদি এখন can এর নেগেটিভটা পিক করি, which is you can't. তো আমি অ্যাকচুয়ালি তোমার উপর একটা রেস্ট্রিকশন দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, you can't do it. তুমি এটা করতে পারবা না. যেখানে পজিটিভ can এ তুমি you're not biased, but নেগেটিভটাতে তুমি biased, that you cannot do it. Very interesting. So positive, you're not biased, but negative, you are biased. I say no, you can't do it. That means তুমি এটা করতে পারো না, or তুমি এটা করতে পারবা না. And interestingly, you find absolutely the opposite in this one. Have to, don't have to. Now, the moment I say you have to do this, so that means I am putting a restriction, like I want you to do that. You have to do this means you must do this. And the moment I turn that negative into you don't have to do it, this means আমি again তোমার উপর কোনো বাইন্ডিং দিচ্ছি না. আমি তোমাকে বলছি you don't have to do this, means what? If you want, you can. Right? So which is very very interesting. Again look, আমি আরেকবার বলছি, একটু ক্লিয়ার করি. You have to, must. You don't have to, up to you. If you want, you do. If you don't want, you don't do. Here completely the opposite. Can, তুমি যদি পারো করো, করতে চাও করো, না করলে প্রবলেম নাই. But the moment I say you can't, actually I make you bias in this issue that you actually cannot do that. So these two things are absolutely opposite. Now let's solve these sentences, guys. See the first one. So it actually tests your knowledge of your country. You don't have to or can't. আপনাকে এই দুটোর মধ্যে একটা পিক করতে হবে. And actually your answer is going to be, look, you, oh, I'm very sorry about that. একটু বলেছে, এটা আমি লিখবো you have to, you can. Right. আপনি যদি আমাদের দেশের রুল হিসাব করেন, আপনি যখন গাড়ি চালাচ্ছেন, আপনারা এটা জানেন, আপনি যখন গাড়ি চালাচ্ছেন আপনাকে আপনার ড্রাইভিং লাইসেন্সটার সাথে রাখতে হবে. এটা এরকম না যে আপনি চাইলে রাখতে পারেন. So I make you bias in this case that you have to carry your driving license as you drive. So here your answer is going to be you have to carry a driving license as you drive. But আমি কখনোই বলতে পারবো না যে you can carry a driving license. It is not up to you. You are actually, by the law, you're actually confined. Okay, then B. B is going to be you don't have to wear a helmet on a bicycle. See, you don't have to. Again, আমি আপনাকে বলতে পারবো না যে you can't wear a helmet. I cannot say that তুমি পড়তেই পারবা না। তোমাকে পড়তে হবে না। Still, তুমি যদি চাও, you can wear that. Wow. See, you can vote when you are 18. Again, I cannot force you saying like you have to vote, right? So voting is your right. If you want to cast it, you cast it. If you don't want, you leave it. So answer is going to be you can vote when you are 18. Next, D. Now this is by law in our country. You can't get married until you are 16. Then E. Yes, you can drive a car when you are 17. Now, guys, most of us, আমি যখন ইংলিশ বলি আমার এই প্রবলেমগুলো হয় use of don't have to, can't. You get confused. Can't means right away you cannot. Don't have to means আমি আপনাকে স্কোপ দিচ্ছি আপনি ডিসিশন নিতে পারেন, right? এবং can আর have to এর মধ্যে is absolutely the opposite. Now, can means আপনার ইচ্ছা, have to means আমার ইচ্ছা. You have to do that. So guys, you make sure you watch this video at least a couple of times so that you understand that properly. These sentences, these models are very, very, very important. Stay tuned and I'll see you with some other lesson. Thank you very much.